How did Paddy Galloway get at least 1 million views with just one video? And the craziest thing is, he made the videos about YouTube education. Of course, Paddy is one of the best YouTube consultants in the world. He started his YouTube journey since 2006, and he also had helped many clients, like one of the biggest is MrBeast's. Now you can see that Paddy posts about once a month. Even he doesn't often post, he still gets a ton of views. And the crazy thing is, he hasn't even posted in 5 months. If you look at his statistic, he still has gotten 330,000 views in the past 30 days. Paddy has shared many advices to help creators, and one of the most important that we will be talking about is the idea. Before, if you still have struggled to grow a channel, remember to go check VIDQ, the best YouTube optimizer for creators. Use it to find the trends with the highest opportunities, the best idea, right keyword, and get more people to discover your videos. The link is in the description. Check it out to make your YouTube journey more easier. Firstly, I'm just summarizing and giving some of my thoughts on his advice. Based on Paddy saying, idea is so important. Question comes, where his ideas come from? There are 3 different places he shares, and the first one is internally. Now you look at your top performing videos and see if you could try to repeat them and make them different. Or build a series around these videos that perform well on your channel. The second way is externally. You need to find the overperforming videos on other YouTube channels and see that if you can learn and adapt something from their channels onto your channel. Then the third way is to innovate. Try something new that has never been done before and see if you can actually do something first. During the rise of whiteboard explainer videos, Paddy decided he was going to try and use that video format and adapt it to the YouTube education niche. And no one was doing this at the time. He then talks about how he asked himself what would it look like if he made a YouTube education video that got 1 million views. After that, he made a video how Peter McKinnon gained 1 million subs in under 1 year. It was the first video to blow up on his channel, and there is another major point he talks about ideas. It's the 110-1 rule. First, you come up with 100 ideas, and then from this, you are going to narrow it down to the 10 best ideas. And lastly, pick the best idea from there that you are gonna make next. According to Paddy, don't just want to make the very first video idea that comes to your mind. Try to brainstorm multiple ideas and then try and find the best one within those ideas. Last, if you want to learn more YouTube hacks, don't hesitate to give me and Paddy a subscribe to grow your channel effectively.